All finished parts are going to go to this area, whether they came off a mill or a lathe. From here, they'll get unloaded from these racks and set into our tumbler. The tumbler is going to do a polishing process on every single part and piece. Parts that detempled will go in as parts that have already completed their tumbling process are coming out. The parts that just came out and finished tumbling will then go into racks to then run through our sonic cleaning rinse with a distilled water and light acid mix. The sonic cleaner uses a high vibration sound wave to help break up any chemical and debris. After the parts have sat in a sonic cleaner for a set amount of time, it will then move into the next rinse bath, which is just a clean distilled water bath. Lastly, the parts are lifted out, cleaned off with cool, clean distilled water, and then air dried.
What's up?
So once all these parts hit the table, they've finished their polishing process, they've gone through the rinse and clean, what are we looking for next?
So as soon as the parts hit our table over here, we have somebody over here checking the quality of them, checking to see if they have any scratches, dents, or dings. We polish them up to the best of our ability. If we're not able to fix it, then we foam them up, box them up, and send them to scratch and dent.
So how does the boxing process work?
So first thing that we do is we look at the part number on the back of the part. We bring it over to our system and see if it gets any bolts or other hardware. And then we would bring it right back over here, foam it up. We measure it to see what size box it gets, make a bunch of boxes, put all the parts and the hardware in the boxes, slap labels on there, and bring it over to shipping.
So what kind of information is on the labels?
So it has the part number, it has a brief description of what the part actually is, it has the date that the part was packaged, and then it has the initials of the person who checked it for quality.
And that helps us track it through the process, understand the dates when everything's done, just any kind of quality issues down the road.
Yep.
Cool. All right, guys, let's head over to shipping, see the last step of the process and how stuff goes out the door.